There was a weird one too. Did you see this one?
No.
By Meta, and it was like a nostalgia kick as well. It's about this kind of Chuck E. Cheese character. Their store kind of closed down, and then it's just like really emotional. He gets tossed out of a van, like this character, and then he becomes a character in the metaverse.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then all of a sudden, it's just he plays like the concert again, like his old days, and then that's it. I feel really empty watching this.
Sad?
It's really sad.
Right.
Yeah. But anyways.
Oh, wow. People are also sad. Look at the thumbs down on it.
Yeah.
I think it has had the same effect on others. If you're circling the drain and ready to go down, why not circle that drain one more time in Meta? Whew.
It's like some sort of
Grim.
like,
Yeah, no, they're saying like you're about to die. Oh, God.
like I don't know. There's like one last hit of like drugs or something. It's like a weird connotation.
Jeez, Will, what are you doing to me here? I'm trying to have a day over here. I'm not done with this day yet.
Yeah, I don't know. Go check it out.
I'm not circling the drain yet.
It's a weird thing.